Brandy, how are you? I hope all is well. I enjoyed reading your post. Definitely reading this week's readings. The procedure safeguards made an impact in me too. This is only my second year teaching, and if anything, I feel like this is like almost like my first year teaching, just because last year was mostly virtual and with COVID, it was a roller coaster. Um, but I definitely agree. I think district representatives should be more involved in the IEP process. I know from my own experience, my first IEP, my program specialist, she was the one that facilitated, and it went well. I mean, I learned a lot from her guiding me. But even till now, I mean, it's my second year and I still make mistakes. I'm thankful that I have my school psychologists and speech and language pathologists because sometimes during the IEPs, if I make a mistake, they correct me. And then, so they support me, guiding me, even in my 2 years of teaching. But I definitely agree that, or if there's even like some type of trainings for extra information that we should be provided before the school year starts, I would definitely join if they have those meetings or trainings or something. But thank you for sharing. I hope you have a good night.